Hiya, so this is the final task in the green booklet, the independent challenge to secure that higher banding, in which you are to create a program called the Coach Trip Program. So the scenario is KMS have planned a trip for all Year 7 and Year 8 pupils, about 350-ish pupils in Year 7 and Year 8, in order to seat at least 30 to 40 students, not staff, comfortably per coach. They need a program to work out how many coaches they need for this trip. So an average of 30 to 40 students need to be in each coach for it to be a successful coach trip. Okay, so you can't exceed any higher than 40 per coach, and you can't have any lower than 30 per coach. These are the scenarios that you need to consider. So you're going to create the program. The first question that it will ask is how many Year 7s are attending? The variable for that is called Year 7. Second question, how many Year 8s are attending? The variable for that is called Year 8. Third question, it will ask is how many coaches are we going to order? Ask how many coaches you have. So it's asking this teacher in charge of this coach trip, how many coaches you're going to have. Based on that, it will give an answer based on the above. So question 4 is on this challenge is a calculation based on the above. The starting variable that you'll need is students per coach, space equals, and you've got to work out what sort of maths do you have to do with the variables Year 7, Year 8 to get the answer, and also include this at the end of your program, which will after it's calculated, it will read out the final answer using this command called math.round. It's just another word for making sure that answer is a whole number, because remember, we can't have half a person or a third of a person in a coach, so it rounds the number to a whole number, so it gives you a exact number in terms of how many in a coach. I'll just show you a completed scenario. So once you've programmed it, you should have this text window appear. First question, how many Year 7s are there? Remember, the variable for this is Year 7. So let's say I have 30 Year 7s coming. Remember, we've got a number of 350, but this is just a scenario. Then next question, how many Year 8s are coming? Remember, the variable for this is Year 8. Let's say 120 Year 8s are coming. Let's say I've got 4 coaches, and then it will work out based on the numbers you have given me, which is 30 Year 7s, 120 Year 8s, and 4 coaches. You can have 38 students on each coach. So 4 coaches, 38 per coach. So that's what the scenario is for the higher banding. Thank you.